computerized attacks. In other words, maybe an algorithm finds these arguments for them. And they just agree with it and run with it because it works. But how strategic MSNBC is on this. Oh, it's a tight race. Lindsey Graham and all this. He said this. Insinuating like Lindsey Graham's going against his own word. I don't know. I don't know if he is. I haven't talked to him. But yeah, it's strategic. And now can you just tell me, is it news or is it a political action wing? It's a political action wing of the Democrat Party. Plain and simple. It's not news. Can you guys not tell the difference?